going over to the kitchen. So I'm going to head on over to the kitchen because I see LadyRen over here. Good morning.
Morning, Lee. Morning, Heather.
Good morning. This looks amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Smells amazing.
It does. So tell us, I understand you have an herbs and spices mix that you're going to share with us.
Yes, that's my new product.
Okay.
So it's your own blend.
It's
Like
my-
you crafted this, you put this together.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Very cool.
And it all started when my customers, after my cookbook and recipes from the cookbook, and customers would ask me about some of the spices and herbs that are in there.
Okay.
And some of them, they couldn't find them. They didn't know what they were about. And I've always wanted to, anyway, create my own blend. I like to know what's in my food. So that's when I worked with a company in the United States.
Cool.
And I have my LadyRen Chef's Blend. 27 herbs and spices.
Wow, that's a
So-
lot in a little jar.
Yes. And
Okay.
Can you tell us what's in there, or is it a secret recipe?
There's a lot in here. They're on my website as far as everything, but you have from saffron to marjoram, turmeric, rosemary, basil, bay leaf. So, and if
Wow.
you sniff,
Ooh,
it's not
that's
overpowering.
good.
Yeah.
But you can tell that there's a lot in there.
Thank you. Yes.
And that really, I'm sure, spices up any dish that you're
And
going to make.
Well, and that's what it is. I also wanted to have something that you can have many uses out of.
That's a good idea.
Yes, so I'm all about saving money, saving time, and I don't like waste. So a lot of
I
times,
like it.
so today I'll show you. What I'm making is a mahi-mahi.
Ooh, okay.
Mahi-mahi with asparagus, and a lot of
Yum.
times
Okay.
people would ask me, what can we make in 30 minutes or less?
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That is a really good one.
Quick, yeah. So
Easy.
you'll have a preheated 375-degree oven.
Okay.
This is your mahi-mahi, which is a nice,
Yum.
sweet flavored fish.
Okay.
So you would put some extra virgin olive oil on both sides. Flip
Okay.
it over, do the same here, get the idea. And LadyRen Chef Blend, as you
Nice.
can see. And with this blend, you can see the generous amount I'm putting. And the reason why, this is not loaded with sodium
Okay.
nor heat, as in the spice that it's too hot for you.
Okay.
It's just
That's good.
flavorful. So when this is done,
Oh, on both sides.
both sides, yes. So, and then you put this into the oven 12 minutes.
Okay.
After 12 minutes, you flip it over. While this is in there, you take your asparagus. Easy cleanup, Lee.
Yes! She knows me.
Put it in a zip
And just
bag.
shake it up.
Put some olive oil.
Okay.
And then again, you see
Love
that?
it.
We're not measuring.
Oh, I never measure,
Yeah.
so that works out.
And you just massage it, put it around, and then after that
Yum.
12 minutes, and you would have flipped your fish.
Sure.
That's when you would add this here.
Okay.
And then this will cook for another 12 to 15 minutes. When you're finished, this is what you will have.
Yeah.
And as you can see,
a
when
little
you
lemon on top.
and everything is easy cleanup. Here's
Mm-hmm.
two other ways to use this blend. Taste it.
Yes. I
And
would
you
like
can
Yes,
do
it looks good.
A dressing. In here I have olive oil, rice vinegar, lemon juice. Add in
Yum.
LadyRen's blend. You give it a good shake.
Really good.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You give it a good shake, and then you have a dressing. If you want, you can drizzle
Oh.
some, a little bit.
Look at that.
Yep. And then also another use, olive oil. You have a dip.
Oh,
need your
that is
infomercial.
amazing.
It's a LadyRen infomercial.
Multi-purpose. That's nice
Multi-purpose.
because sometimes when you're making recipes that require all these different spices, it's a lot to buy,
Yeah.
and you don't need all of it in your pantry.
And you might not use it again.
Exactly.
You might not use that one
Yeah.
spice.
Myself
more than once.
included. So you can have all these jars, and then you're using them once. You
Right.
forget they're there. Then in about 4 to 6 months, you got to toss them out.
But you
for
forget,
freshness.
like me,
Yeah.
and then they're there
Yeah.
forever.
Exactly. So it's nice. You have it all in
You
one.
have it all in one.
Awesome.
Yep. And it goes from pizza to popcorn.
Oh my
French
gosh.
fries. That's the whole idea.
That is great.
And so this way you use it, there's nothing to throw away because it won't be sitting on your shelf for 2 years.
Awesome. And before we go, tell us about your upcoming cooking classes and where people can find you online.
Thank you. Next cooking class is on September 19th at 5 p.m. We're doing date night, and it's actually
Ooh.
also a fundraiser event I'm hosting because every year I partner with Humane Society of Charlotte for Restaurants
Nice.
to Rescue. So proceeds from that cooking class will be going there, and all of my information for the class, books, spices are on my website, ladyrens.com.
LadyRens.com. All right. Well, thank you so much for being here. This looks delicious, and I might need to steal one of these.
That's okay.
We'll be right back.
Thank you.